Friends, I'm Parul Sharma, computer science teacher. आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो रिगार्डिंग कंप्यूटर साइंस पाइथन सिलेबस लाइक किया, उसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. Hello friends, welcome again to the part 2 video of my study channel. In my first video, I have already discussed about class 11th and 12th latest computer science syllabus declared by CBSE and overview of Python. In this video, I will present about the role of Python developers, his salary trends, and some big names associated with Python, and also about the huge application areas of Python. And in my next video, part 3, I will focus on getting started with Python, Python basics, and the programming fundamentals. Friends, due to the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies in the global market, Python developer is one of the most in-demand technological jobs. So let's learn who is a Python developer. Python developer is one who develops the Python code. He writes effective code for backend components, test and debug programs, creates applications that can be integrated with the present ones. Friends, due to the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies in the global market, Python developer is one of the most in-demand technological jobs. So let's learn who is a Python developer. Python developer is one who develops the Python code. He writes effective code for backend components, test and debug programs, creates applications that can be integrated with the present ones. Students, now let's learn about Python developer roles and the roles of Python web developer. So Python developer, he can be a software engineer who write Python codes, or he can be a data analyst or a data scientist. Now Python web developer roles, he must have the technical skills, well versed in core Python. The core Python is Python basics, which you are learning in class 11 and 12 syllabus of CBSE. Then Django or Flask libraries. These are the frameworks that provide developer extensive libraries. Then he must be well versed in HTML and CSS, cascading style sheets. He must know about MVC and MVD architecture. We'll discuss about later. It is model view controller and model view template architecture. He must be known about server side development, the internet-based development. He must be well versed in front-end skills. He must know designing tools of front-end. He must be well versed in back-end. He must know about database knowledge, SQL concepts. He must well versed in script writing as. Students, now let's see the top listed companies that uses Python. The big names are Google, NASA, Mozilla Firefox, IBM, Walt Disney, Raspberry Pi, Dropbox, YouTube, Facebook, and Netflix. Students, now let's come to our most favorite part, the most important attraction of Python, that is the salary. The salary of Python developer all depends on the skill set, experience, and location. In India, the average salary of a Python developer is between 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, and in US, the average salary of a Python developer is between 88k to 120k US dollar per annum. Students, now let's begin with the wide and huge application areas of Python. So start with number 1, multiple programming paradigm. Python has the upper hand, or we can say an umbrella, when it comes to support a number of programming frameworks. Python एक umbrella की तरह है और ये support करता है large number of programming structures or frameworks like object-oriented programming module, functional programming module, empirical programming module, and structured programming module. Second application is web testing. Python एक wonderful choice है for programmers in testing website applications and other related web interfaces before launching its own live sites to avoid bugs and error. It has a built-in unit test framework called PyUnit, that assure our code work as expected. Students, now let's understand the third application, data extraction and web scraping. Python can be used to pull a large amount of data from website, which can then be helpful in various real-world processes such as price comparison, job listing, research and development, marketing, sales campaign, e-commerce, data collection, search engine optimization, ranking, etc. So हम वेबसाइट से डेटा पुल कर सकते हैं और उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस. So, what is web scraping? Web scraping is a process to retrieve and organize data from different sources on the web and turn them into valuable ones. So, the robust Python library which is used is Beautiful Soup. Web scraping tools that are used are Selenium and also Scrappy. Students, now let's understand the most attractive application areas of Python. It is artificial intelligence, data science research, machine learning and data visualization. So we can actually make a machine mimic the human brain, which has the power to think, analyze and make decision. हम मशीन को ह्यूमन ब्रेन की तरह वर्क करा सकते हैं, फंक्शन करा सकते हैं, जिसमें ऐसी पावर आ जाए कि वो सोच सके, एनालाइज कर सके और डिसीजंस ले सके. सो लाइब्रेरीज सच एज कैरास एंड टेंसरफ्लो bring machine learning functionalities. It gives the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So nowadays, most data scientists and software engineers use Python to conduct research on artificial intelligence and data scientists. It can be used across other domains and technologies, which is of huge advantage. So हम data scientists, research, software जो भी Python पे create करते हैं वो हम दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजीज पे भी स्विच कर सकते हैं और क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट बीट्स अदर ओप्स लैंग्वेज for the least code programming language. Python has pre-built libraries like NumPy for scientific computation, Skippy for advanced computing, and PyBrain for machine learning, which makes it one of the best language for artificial intelligence and data science. Now let's understand data visualization. So furthermore, big data and analytics can be presented using Python's data visualization tool. So हम Python के data visualization tools को use करके हम बहुत ही large data present कर सकते हैं. Some of the most used tools to create appealing statistical data graphs and interactive graphical plots are Pandas, Seaborn, Bokeh and Pygal and also Matplot. So students, next most interesting application area of Python is web application and internet development. No one can deny the extent of Python's success is not on just web application but also in internet development. So Python uses a number of frameworks to create web application at a rapid rate. So Python has an array of web frameworks. These are pylons such as CherryPy, Django, Flask, Pyramid, which provides developers friendly extensive libraries and modules which makes their work easier. So Python speeds up content management, database access, error tracking, functional call, mapping, profiling, data authorization, scalability and convenience. Because of the Python's compatibility with multiple systems and platforms, so Python popularity is most evident on application development. So there are a number of websites which have been developed on Python. Some of the names are Instagram, Bitbucket, Pinterest, which uses these frameworks. Students, now let's understand next application of Python. It is database easy access, interface customization, quick system integration and embedded applications. अगर आप चाहते हैं अपना डेटाबेस इजीली एक्सेस करना तो पाइथन ये काम आपके लिए कर देगा. Two of its strong points are allowing users to customize interfaces like in MySQL, Oracle, Server, Durius, Zob, SQLite, etc. and access other database quickly. Also through Python interfaces, connections with databases, users can observe how databases are created and edited in real time, how they can be embedded on applications. Python can be used to create embedded C software for embedded application. This helps us to perform high-level applications on smaller devices which can compute Python. The most well-known embedded application is Raspberry Pi. Moreover, Python can be integrated with C++, Java and .NET. So the flexibility allows us to run and integrate with other programming languages. For example, JPython, the Python integrates with Java. CPython, the Python integrated with C. RubyPython, the Python integrated with Ruby language. Students, let's understand the another application area of Python, which is cyber security. Python के अंदर हायर लेवल के सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स मौजूद हैं विद पावरफुल थर्ड पार्टी लाइब्रेरीज. इन लाइब्रेरीज के नाम है nmap यारा रिक्वेस्ट. ये रिस्पॉन्ड करती हैं साइबर थ्रेट्स के केसेस में फास्टर एज कंपेयर टू अदर लैंग्वेजेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, ये जो लाइब्रेरीज हैं दे कैन रन अ पेनिट्रेशन टेस्ट ऑन वेब एप्लीकेशंस एंड देन दे कैन डिटेक्ट the system breaches like unauthorized access, issues and malicious activities, which can be helpful for IT security professionals. Students, now let us understand another application area of Python. It is scripting and automation. First, let us understand what is a scripting language. एक स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज वो लैंग्वेज है जिसमें कोड स्क्रिप्ट्स की फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है और एग्जीक्यूट किया जाता है. मशीन इस कोड को रीड करती है और इंटरप्रेट करती है इस कोड को, और एरर रन टाइम के दौरान एरर चेकिंग होती है. वंस द कोड इज चेक्ड इट कैन बी यूज सेवरल टाइम्स. सो बाय ऑटोमेशन टेक्निक वी कैन ऑटोमेट सर्टेन टास्क इन अ प्रोग्राम. Students, another most important application area of Python is computer graphics, desktop GUI, that is graphical user interface, and CAD applications. CAD are computerized automated designs. So Python is used widely to build GUIs and desktop application. It provides Kinter library, that is TKINTER, Kinter library, to provide fast and easy way to create applications. So computerized automated designing also done by Python, for which objects and functions are used. The most well-known application for CAD is Fandango. Another most interesting application of Python among children is game development. Python is used for the development of interactive games. So there are libraries such as PySoy, which is a 3D game engine, Pygame, which provides functionality and a library for game development. So games such as Civilization 4, Disney, Toontown Online, Vega Strike have been built using Python, especially for Androids. Students, now let's move ahead. Last application, last but not the least, Python is used in business application and audio video applications. So business apps covers the domains such as e-commerce, ERP, enterprise resource planning platforms such as Triton is used to develop business application. So Python can be used to develop multitasking audio video applications such as TeamPlayer. They play by using Python libraries and they provide better stability and performance compared to other media players. Friends, in my next video, I will be starting Python programming fundamentals and how to write Python programs. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Hope you have liked my video. Then please like it, share it and subscribe it.